Welcome to today's video tour. Today, I'm going to be presenting you with a unique opportunity to buy a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom condo unit in the best location of Edgewater. This property counts with direct ocean view, over 1,100 square feet, and guess what? The best part is the lowest price in the building, with the recent price improvement now listed at $569,000. By the way, I am Stefania Magolon, your local South Florida and Miami real estate agent. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or rent, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Here is all my information and also on the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move, hopefully, to this 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath unit. To begin this video, let's talk about location. Location. Yes, you are in Edgewater, but I feel that this is one of the best locations. Why, you ask? Well, you are right off of Biscayne Boulevard, which connects you to Brickell downtown and all the north part of Miami. Right to the east side, you have Julia Tuttle Causeway, which connects you directly to Miami Beach in less than 5 minutes. And best of all, you're right next to the I-95, so you can hop on the highway in a minute, go to the airport, go north, go south, and connect with any main location of this city. Now let's talk about the amenities of this incredible building, Blue on the Bay. Right behind me, I actually have one of the pools, but this building doesn't have just one pool. It has 2 pools, entertainment pool with jacuzzi, but you also have a lap pool on the other side of the building, which not only serves you if you're into swimming, but also it allows you to have sun all throughout the day, because the other pool is located in the northeast side of the building, and this other pool is located in the southwest side of the building, which means for the tanning people, the ones that love the sun, you're gonna have sun all year round, all day round. Additionally, you can with a fully equipped gym. When I tell you fully equipped, it has all of the machines that you ever need, and really large stretching yoga area, all of the weightlifting, cable machines, many treadmills, and the best of all is that the gym has a view towards the ocean, which makes it amazing and beautiful. Imagine you jogging in the morning in your treadmill and seeing the beauty of the ocean of Miami. Additionally, you have kids play area and an office area / conference room. And the best of all is that this building is going to have a fully renovated lobby area. I'm going to be inserting photos here, and it's definitely going to be looking very, very beautiful once it is finalized. Now let's begin the tour of the actual unit. As you can see, it's enormous. It counts with 1,174 square feet. You hear the echo because it is pretty large for a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom. Now, I'm gonna pinpoint a few things before we actually start walking around. This unit has double exposures. So you have this bay view, and you also have the double exposure towards the kitchen. You have a window here that faces north, so you can actually have a lot of natural light throughout the entire unit. It is also important to mention that it has an assigned parking spot, but it also has a storage unit, which is very rare, and for large families that is really, really important. You'll notice the clean, modern design with sleek white cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances throughout. The layout is both functional and inviting, with an open island that's perfect for casual dining or entertaining. The electric cooktop, built-in oven, and microwave are seamlessly integrated, with plenty of storage and great natural light, which I love, coming in from the window. It's bright, efficient space that works just as well for everyday living as it does for hosting. Now, moving along with the common or living room area, I already mentioned this is a pretty large area, so you can set up a very large couch setting or a desk. Like, you can do a lot with all of this space. I feel that for some apartments this could easily be a 2 living room in one, but the best part of this, and I'm sure you guys want to see, it's the view. As soon as you step out, you are encountered with this magnificent view. The beauty of this is not only, of course, you're going to see the ocean, but also there is nothing in front. You don't have a big building in front of it, so your view is complete. And if you look to your left, you can actually see the sunset. So you can basically see sunrise and sunset. It has a northeast exposure, and you have this bay view and ocean view both from the balcony and from the primary bedroom. Now stepping into the primary bedroom, you can see this corner layout. It faces the city and the ocean, just like the same view as the balcony. It also has a separate entrance for the balcony. It is right here, and as soon as you wake up, you're encountered with this incredible view. Now, because this unit is a very large layout here in the primary bedroom, I feel that you can easily fit a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and even a dresser and more furniture, because it is a very, very large primary. Now, moving along to this area, you're going to encounter the walk-in closet. So you're going to have the walk-in closet here, which is very large, and also a separate smaller linen closet right behind the door entrance. And right this way, you're going to find the primary bath. The primary bathroom features a spacious double vanity with modern sinks, a large mirror, and ample cabinet storage. It also includes a dedicated bidet and a soaking tub with a shower, surrounded by elegant marble-style tiling. Moving along to the other side of the apartment, we'll find the half bathroom, which is located by the kitchen and living area. This guest-friendly half bath doubles as a functional laundry space and its own stacked washer and dryer. It's the perfect blend of accessibility for guests and everyday utility. The second bedroom features warm wood flooring and a large window that frames a stunning view of the city. It includes a double closet with a built-in shelf and plenty of open space to customize it and make it your own. This room also features its own private ensuite bathroom, which comes with the modern vanity, a large mirror, and a glass-enclosed walk-in shower. Both bedrooms in this home are very spacious, making it the perfect apartment for a large family or for anyone needing plenty of room for both comfortable living space and a dedicated work area. Now, this has been all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this tour and you enjoy this unique property. If you're interested in this property or any other property here in Miami or South Florida, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be here and also on the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move to Miami.